Writing Task 2. Today we're going to be talking real briefly about modal verbs and adverbs and how you can use them to move your writing into the next level. First, let's look at what's wrong with these Task 2 sentences, and I want you to look very carefully. See if you can find any mistakes. Number 1, if the government rewards companies for recycling, they will start to recycle more. Number 2, businesses only care about making a large profit, not about social causes. And number 3, people from developed countries have fewer problems than those from developing countries. What's wrong with these sentences? Are you ready? The answer is there's nothing wrong with these sentences. They're all perfect. There are no problems here. But we can make them better. And sometimes on the real IELTS test, this can be the difference between getting a 7.5 and getting an 8. Let's see how we can change these to make them better. For the first sentence, including may instead of will makes this sentence sound a little bit less sure, but more realistic. For sentence 2, including the majority of instead of only businesses in the beginning shows that we're not talking about all businesses, just most businesses. This is also more realistic, like sentence 1. And sentence 3, people from developed countries tend to have fewer problems than those from developing countries. This, like the previous 2 sentences, is just much more accurate than the original sentence and moves your writing up to a higher level. Let's take a look at a chart listing different modal verbs and adverbs. On the left column, we have degrees of certainty, strong, moderate, tentative. In the middle column, we have modal verbs and adverbs, and on the right column, we have statements of claim that you can use as well. Take a quick look at this before we move on to your homework for today. Ready? Here we go. Your homework for today is to rewrite these sentences. Number 1, if more money is put into education, students will get better scores. Number 2, people from Japan are more meticulous than people from other countries. Number 3, living alone is better than living with other people. Number 4, the internet is a great source for information. And number 5, more funding for scientific research results in healthier societies. Use the modal verbs and adverbs from the previous slide to rewrite these 5 sentences. And if you're looking for some sample answers, you can check out the description below this video.